Okay children, exercise 3.3 completed now. Now we are going to see exercise 3.4. So division algorithm for polynomials. Division algorithm for polynomials. Division algorithm for polynomials. So what is division algorithm here? So P of x is equal to G of x into Q of x plus R of x. So division algorithm is nothing but P of x is equal to G of x into Q of x plus R of x. P of x is dividend. We know in our lower classes we studied that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient, divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this is the division algorithm rule. So what is the dividend rule? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the what dividend rule. In division algorithm, P of x is equal to G of x into Q of x plus R of x. Okay, remember that G of x is what? Divisor. Q of x is remainder. Q of x is quotient. G of x is divisor, Q of x is quotient, R of x is remainder. R of x is remainder. Now we will see how to divide the polynomials. How to divide the polynomials in exercise 3.4. So exercise 3.4. What is the first problem? All of you check it out first way. So what is given here? Divide the polynomial P of x by the polynomial G of x. P of x ni G of x to divide cheste find the quotient and remainder each of the following. We have to find the quotient and the remainder. We have to find the quotient and the remainder. So what is the first problem here given? P of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 and G of x is given as x square minus 2. X square minus 2. In class we took some mistake. Instead of x square minus 2, I took x square minus 1 and we verified the division. Yes, here we will see the exact problem x square minus 2. X square minus 2. So division. So x square minus 2. X square minus 2 is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. This is P of x now. So we have to find quotient and remainder. We have to find quotient and remainder. So see here x square minus 2 is equal x square minus 2 is divisor. P of x is what? Dividend. So now we will verify. See here first how to verify. Here x square is there, here x cube is there. Here x square is there, here x cube is there. So how much needed to x square to become as x cube? If you don't know, you do like this. Check here first term, here first term. P of x la first term, G of x la first term. So x cube is P of x la first term, x square is G of x la first term. So by this same out the x square both a migilindi 1x a migilindi 1x. That will becomes the quotient. That will becomes the quotient. Quotient తో మనకి కింది వాల్యూస్ కూడా రావాలి కదా. ఈ కింది వాల్యూస్ రావాలంటే అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? మనకు వచ్చిన కోషెంట్ని ఏం చేయాలి? జీ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. మనకు వచ్చిన కోషెంట్ని జీ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. నాకు కోషెంట్ ఏమొచ్చింది? ఎక్స్ వచ్చింది. జీ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ ఏంటి? ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2 మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్, ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్, ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ 2 2x. సో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ హియర్ ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ మైనస్ 2x, ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ మైనస్ 2x. So this is the plus value, it will becomes minus. This is the minus value, it will becomes plus. My plus x cube minus x cube cancel. So if you see here plus 2x is there, here minus 3x square is there. Plus 2x minus 3x square we cannot add because this is the degree of 1, this is the degree of 2. Directly you substitute here. Minus 3x square, 5x plus 2x, how much? 7x. Drop minus 3, drop minus 3. So what is here now first term? Again we have to check dividend first term and divisor first term. So what is here? Minus 3x square, here is x square. X square gone. What is the quotient here? Minus 3. What is the quotient here? Minus 3. This minus 3 should be multiplied with the divisor. What is the divisor? x square minus 2 minus 3x square 3 to the plus 6 minus 3x square plus 6. So right here minus 3x square plus 6. So minus value becomes plus, so plus value becomes minus. So minus 3x square plus 3x square cancel. So here 7x, so 6. So this is of the different degree. So 7x write like that. Minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. So what is the remainder I got as? R of x is equal to 7x minus 9. Q of x I got as x minus 3. Q of x I got as x minus 3. Understood all of you? Once again you listen. Divisor is x square minus 2. Dividend is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. So we have to find the quotient and the remainder. Quotient and the remainder. So to find what we have to do, we have to check first term in the p of x and first term in the g of x. So x cube by x square is nothing but x if we cancel. This x should be multiplied with which term? This will become the quotient. In the place of quotient you have to place x. This x should be multiplied with the divisor. This x should be multiplied with the divisor. Divisor is x square minus 2. If you multiply x cube minus 2x, x cube minus 2x, you put in this place. So minus plus value becomes minus, minus value will becomes plus. So plus x cube minus x cube cancel, minus 3x square, same in that way only, whatever it is there. Plus 5x plus 2x is 7x, drop minus 3. So again here first term. So minus 3x square by x square cancel, left with minus 3. This minus 3 will becomes what? Quotient. This quotient should be multiplied with g of x square minus 2. So if you multiply minus 3 into x square minus 3x square minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. So keep here. So plus this value minus is there, so it will becomes plus. Plus 3x square minus 3x square cancel. It is plus, so it became minus. 7x minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. So this value you will get as remainder. This value is quotient. If you get a doubt whether whatever you have done it is wrong, right or wrong, you are not able to understand. So what you have to check? You have to check by using the dividend rule. Dividend rule I told just now, na? What is the dividend rule I told? P of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Substitute in the places. Whatever you got, g of x, what is g of x here? X square minus 2. What is q of x here? X minus 3. What is r of x here? Remainder how much I got? 7x minus 9. 7x minus 9. Substitute and you can check. X square is multiplied with x minus 3 and minus 2 is multiplied with x minus 3. So remainder is 7x minus 9. X square into x is x cube. X square into 3 is 3x square minus 2x plus 6. And here 7x minus 9. So x cube is only one term, minus 3x square also only one term, minus 2x plus 7x is how much? Plus 5x plus 6, so minus 9 is minus 3. Check whether p of x is the same. Yes, p of x value you got. So you have to check by using the which rule? Dividend rule. What is the dividend rule? So p of x equal to g of x plus q of x plus r of x. So substitute g of x is x square minus 2, q of x is x minus 3 and r of x is how much? 7x minus 9. You substitute, you simplify, you get the same. What? P of x you will get this. Like this also you can verify. Like this also you can verify whether the answer you got is right or wrong. Okay, this is your first problem in first bit.